Hi everyone, great to see you on our Edimakor channel. In today's video, we will show how to create subtitles from plain text if you do not have an SRT subtitle file. HitPaw Edimakor will be used in this process. It can not only generate subtitles from audio, but also add subtitles to video using text from various file formats such as TXT, doc, and others. Let's start by importing our videos. Click on Manual Subtitles here, select Paste Words and split to Subtitle. In the pop-up window, paste all the words from your text file. Note that there's a maximum limit of 2,000 characters. Any periods, exclamation or question marks in the text will be auto-split after generating. You can also manually split the words, ideally one sentence per line. If you want to convert subtitles to voiceover, then check the text-to-speech box. Now click on Generate Subtitles. See, the text is divided into subtitles, and you can adjust their length to match the video timeline. Now, let's explore some additional features in the right panel. The first one, Subtitles. Here, you can review and revise the divided text for any errors. You can also convert the text into subtitle in SRT, AS, or VTT file by clicking on the Save button here. The second, Text. It allows you to customize text properties such as font, size, and color. The third one is add animations to the subtitles to enhance their appearance.
An adorable kangaroo wearing blue jeans.
And the last one, the TTS option for voiceover, we have just mentioned.
An adorable kangaroo wearing blue jeans and a white t-shirt, taking a pleasant stroll in Mumbai, India, during a beautiful sunset.
Once satisfied, it's time to export the final video. Click on the Export button, choose your desired settings, and save the video with SRT subtitles to your computer. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.